Withdrawing money from Yahoo Mail to your bank account involves a few straightforward steps. Follow this guide to ensure a smooth transfer process. Step 1. Access your Yahoo Mail account. Log into your Yahoo Mail account using your credentials. Make sure you are using a secure internet connection to protect your information. Step 2. Locate the payment or money transfer feature. Once logged in, navigate to the section of Yahoo Mail that handles payments or money transfers. This may be under a tab labeled Payments, Money, or similar. Step 3. Choose the withdrawal option. Select the option to withdraw or transfer funds. You may need to specify the amount you wish to withdraw and confirm that you want to send this money to your bank account. Step 4. Enter bank account details. Provide the necessary bank account information, including your account number and routing number. Double-check this information for accuracy to avoid any issues with the transfer. Step 5. Confirm and complete the transaction. Review all the details of your withdrawal, including the amount and bank account information. Once everything is correct, confirm the transaction to initiate the transfer. You should receive a confirmation email once the process is complete. In conclusion, following these steps will help you successfully withdraw money from Yahoo Mail to your bank account. Always ensure your information is secure and keep track of your transactions for future reference.